Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion pen tablet. I have Huion Kamvas 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to download and how to install Huion drivers for this tablet. To do it, you need to open the web browser. I will show it from the beginning. So open the web browser and find here Huion downloads. Open the first website. You will open the Huion.com website, and here just find Kamvas 12. Click on it, and here you have a driver for Windows device, for macOS device, or for Linux device. And I have it downloaded. You need to download it, install and reboot your PC. Then you need to open the Huion tablet application and go, and here we can set up our pen tablet. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.